Let's practice the boat. Slowly, bring your weight a bit backwards. And the most important thing is now to feel the connection, 2 sitting bones, 1 sacrum. And you're in the middle of it. And root the weight of the body into the floor, it helps you. And already now I think, again, the center is activated. Yeah. Bring the knees closer to you. And then slowly bring the shins up, the lower legs up. As you see, the legs are now horizontal to the floor. This is the right line. But if this is too hard for the belly muscles, just bring the feet a bit down. Toes on the floor, maybe. Better. Yeah. So this is a different variation. Bring them up again. And the third variation is that you elongate the legs. Ooh. But for a lot of people, that is really hard work. Huh? So we make it easier, bring them down, by using the strap. We bring the strap around the balls of the feet, take the straps into your hands. And then again, from the center, on an exhalation, you straighten the legs out. Okay, so the sternum is lifted and you elongate the spine. It's very important to keep the sternum lifted because I will show you what happens when you don't. So bring the sternum back. Most of the time you get more wobbly. Elaine doesn't wobble so much. But it's really important to keep the sternum up. That's it. Because it is a fearful pose, the abdomen might tighten. And if you feel that, please bring the legs down and just relax for a moment and slowly bring yourself back into the pose again. Don't do too much, build it up. So bring the legs down. So choose your best option. Have fun exercising.